Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty, and I thought we'd do something a little bit different. We're gonna do a clean with me. This is above my sink. You guys recognize this picture from the Dollar Tree. Super simple around here. I only have a couple dishes from the dogs. I actually feed them on plates, so I have those in there soaking. And can you guys believe this? I'm still using the Christmas paper towels that we got on clearance. So this one's almost gone. We got to change that out. We sure do. We'll use these for cleaning, I'm sure. Actually, let's put them right. I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. I always have my cleaning sponge in here in the sink. And I always have a few dishes in here. It's just the way I live, I guess. A little bit of Dawn. I don't know what you guys can see and what you can't. I don't have a tripod. You're kind of set up on this little stand thing I have. Yeah, the dogs eat on regular plates. This is what it is. I've tried so many different bowls. And I have one dog who's older. And she just has a hard time with bowls, so we just switched. She likes it much better. That's all that matters. Now this is the water from the day, so I leave this in here and I kind of soak everything throughout the day, and then at the end of the night, clean off my sponge. That's hot as heck. Clean off my dish sponge, which is different than my cleaning sponge. I didn't realize I was going to film this. I already put water in this. I get out as much as I can from everything because I'm extremely cheap. What it is, it's just what it is. So this has gotten dirty because I have not cleaned it in a while. Probably about 3 or 4 days. I'll let that sit and soak for a second. Upside down. This is my cleaning sponge. I used it on black paint that wasn't dry today. Why foof it up? Why foof it up for you guys? Let's just be real, shall we? I use this freaking Comet on everything from the Dollar Tree. Let that soak. I empty this out. Then, do this water. I'm an overuser. Anybody else? You overuse cleaning stuff? I sure do. Can't help it. The dog food in this sink is the worst because it's wet dog food. It attaches to everything. Legit, everything. get this ready for tomorrow. Got that back over there. That's all cleaned off. These 90% water bottles we got 90% off at Walgreens. This thing holds the cold forever. I love it so much. Like, I legit always have dishes in here. My Starbucks. You live alone, you can do that, guys. Sometimes it even piles up a little bit. All right, so I have this plant. Spider plant. I don't know if I'm supposed to put it in water, though. I don't know. This is my favorite. I spray this in the house after I clean. It's my favorite. Just a little bit left of this. Another favorite. I put this in my shampooer. I shampooed my carpet in my living room. So I'm going to put that back under the sink. And this is my favorite bleach right out of the bottle. Then, see, I get the scallions, and then I just keep regrowing them. It's awesome. All right. I'll put my dish sponge in there so it has time to disinfect. That's my theory. Everybody's got their own theories. I always like having a little light on my counter because I don't usually use the big lights. And yeah, you see the cord. I'm alright with that because I like the ambiance of it at night. You know? I think it's nice. I still have all of my decorations and stuff packed, so we're bare men. We sure are. With our Christmas towels. And I don't know if that's how I'm supposed to be growing it, but I put it right under the light. My scallions, I usually change the water out once a day on these. If I'm doing this wrong, you guys tell me. I know I have more of these, but I don't know if I'm even doing the right thing with that. Squeeze those out. I'm going to put all these cleaners under the sink. 1, 2, 3. Use it all up. I've been cooking too much on the stove. I've been using my air fryer a lot, but it's an old stove. Gas heat. Again, the classic bleach. Yes, I can't help it. You're going to be wiggling around, guys, because I'm holding my phone. See, I've tried so many times, even with a scrubber, to get that off. But sometimes there's just history there that you cannot erase. You know what I'm saying? We have to rinse this. It's too full of cleaner. Don't you love when things are literally squeaky clean? Hear that? Love that sound. It's really nice to wake up to a clean house, you know? I can't go to bed if there's like something on the stove, something in the sink. Nope, can't do it. Can't do it. Okay, so I washed this table off last night before I went to bed, and nobody has literally eaten on it today. I love these. They match my wall. Do you guys remember that from Big Lots? I was like, but do I need it? Was that this one? That was the barn one. This is the one I bought first. I love it. I got that at Big Lots, and my table stuff is from Walmart.
So I have these bins right here from the Dollar Tree, and I film at night, guys, so there's definitely going to be shadows. I'm just going to go through, make sure everything that's in here is supposed to be in here, and clean it all out, just reorganize it. This thing was here when I moved in. Super ugly. I can hear the ice machine in the background. Not attractive at all, but it is super useful. I store extra toilet paper. I put a little plant. The things I use on the daily is just super easy access. And that fan was from Aldi, and it's really helpful in the bathroom. And then right here, I just have some extra towels that are reachable for the kids on these little rolling carts that we got on clearance. Remember, they were like $5 at Staples. I saw the sticker on it. Oh, it's just good to be real, guys. It's good to be real. But yeah, I got a couple of these hanging from Walgreens. Do the best you can with what you got. Let me clean those. I always think I have no eyeglasses. Look at how many I just found in the basket. Because at night I take them off and I wash my face and moisturize it. And yeah, that's where all of them were. I found my moisturizer. Put that in there. To me, this feels super cluttered, but it's just so easy access.
It makes it good. My shower's right here. Guys, I use curtains for shower curtains because they go ceiling to floor. And it just makes it look more, I don't know, not grand because this bathroom is old, but nicer. It looks nicer not to have. And then on this side, I just have this wreath. And I have the powder room from the Dollar Tree, that sign. Do you guys remember that? And over on this opposing wall, I have this picture that I've carried with me through so many different places. Used to be in my salon. I love it. Love, love, love it. So it made its way here into the back. Okay, guys, I'm going to end it here. I'm going to put a load in. Always cheaper at night to do laundry. If you guys like these videos, please let me know in the comments and maybe I'll do more. Thanks, everyone.